Good morning, YouTube. It's Monday, February 28th, and today I'd like to play Guess That Sound. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but if you can hear it, it sounds like a washing machine, doesn't it? Well, guess what? That's not the sound of a washing machine. That is indeed the sound of this. Probably because it is currently set to 90 degrees. Probably means that once again somebody has overridden the lockout at which it isn't supposed to hit 90. So we'll just turn that off. And then when you turn it off, it of course growls at you. Isn't that lovely? It's like, you know, radiators, they might be creaking stuff, but I'd rather have them than that. The other thing I'd like to show you is it rained recently, and in the courtyard we have a drain that likes to get clogged a lot. So, if you look out the window today, you can see that Lake Myers is back because the drain is clogged again. So, that's it.